What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a headlight restoration. We're going to get rid of the yellowing and the cloudiness on the headlights. So here's the driver's side headlight. This is the passenger side, and you can see the difference. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how to remove the oxidation with sandpaper and going through the steps. Products I'm going to be using today is a Meguiar's Plastic X with a, let me see if I can find it. It's a wool pad that comes with the kit. And then we're going to finish it off with a Sonax Perfect Finish. You can see it right there. So I just finished up with the 1500. Now I'm going to hit it with 2500, follow that with 3000, and then we can go to buffing. So we're almost at the stage to start compounding the headlight and then polish. So right now I just finished up with 2500. You can already see it's clearing up. Now I'm going to hit it with 3000 grit now to get rid of all the finer scratches, and then we can go ahead and compound and polish. Alright, so we got the headlight sanding down with 3000. So by the time you finish there, your headlight should be at least 80% clear. So it should look like this. Shouldn't have much cloudiness. What I'm using now is a wool pad with a Milwaukee drill. You can use any drill. So at this point the headlight is not done. So we already removed all the oxidation. We sanded it with 2500 grit, finished it off with 3000. So we removed any UV protection that the headlight has or had. So I finished off with the Plastic X, and right after this you can use any type of sealer or even a ceramic coating. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sonax just to kick up the shine just a little bit over the headlight, low RPMs. Nothing too crazy. And that's it. Give it a final wipe down. Make sure you didn't miss any compound in the corners. Clean everything up. Now we can go ahead and inspect the headlight. Alright, so this is the last step. We're going to finish it off with some Blue Magic headlight lens sealer. This is going to replace the UV protection that we removed in the beginning by sanding. So this is going to give you headlight protection up to 1 year. Final result, there you guys have it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, hit that notification. Thank you for watching.